Today, I'll walk you through how to create a custom tab using WordPress Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your custom tabs so you can enhance your website's functionality and user experience. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website. You can find it by going to your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. This will bring you to the login page. Once logged in, you should see the dashboard. Next, look for the Pages section on the left sidebar and click on Add New. This is where you'll create a new page for your custom tab. Think of it as laying the foundation for a new room in your house. Once you're on the new page, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor editor, which allows you to design your page visually similar to painting a canvas. Now, in the Elementor editor, type in Highlight in the search bar to find the necessary elements. This will help you locate the tab widget that you need to create your custom tabs, just like searching for the right tool in a toolbox. After that, click on Tabs from the Elementor widgets. This will add a tab widget to your page, allowing you to organize content in a neat and user-friendly way, much like organizing files in a cabinet. Next, click on the Style tab in the Elementor panel. Here, you can customize the appearance of your tabs. This is where you can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your website's theme. Think of it as choosing the decor for your new room. Then navigate to the Layout section. This is where you can set the structure of your tabs, deciding how they will be displayed. You can choose between horizontal or vertical layouts, depending on your design preference, just like deciding whether to arrange furniture in a living room or a hallway. Now let's move on to spacing. Adjusting the spacing will help you control the distance between your tabs and other elements on the page, ensuring everything looks balanced and visually appealing. Next, click on Size. Here, you can set the dimensions of your tabs, making sure they fit perfectly within your design, similar to ensuring a picture frame fits the wall. After that, go to Position. This allows you to control where your tabs will sit on the page, like placing a piece of furniture in the perfect spot. Then click on Typography. This is where you can customize the text style of your tabs, including font type, weight, and size, ensuring readability and aesthetic appeal. Next, adjust the font settings. Choose a font that aligns with your brand's identity. Think of it as selecting the right outfit for an important meeting. Continue with font weight to make your text bold or light, depending on your design needs. Then adjust the font size to ensure your text is easily readable. Next, set the text color to match your website's color scheme. This is crucial for maintaining a cohesive look, just like ensuring your outfit matches. After that, click on Text Align to set the alignment of your tab text. This will help in creating a polished appearance. Now let's move on to the background settings. Here, you can add colors or images to the background of your tabs, enhancing their visual appeal. Next, click on Border to add borders around your tabs, which can help them stand out on the page. Then explore the Effects section. This allows you to add animations or hover effects, making your tabs more interactive, similar to adding special features to a car. Finally, once you're satisfied with your custom tabs, click on Save Draft. This ensures all your hard work is saved, and you can come back to it later, just like locking up a newly furnished room. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.